on the bus right now, getting to the train, and then we're gonna take a train and get to where we need to go. They'll be like, hello, can I see your passport? So this bread is so delicious. It's a French salted bread something. It's so good. And she has a melon bread. That's okay. Alright, so I'm on the train now. We're heading to the Taipei main station, and then from there we're gonna go to the Cat Village. So we're on the next train. Looks like it's from the 1970s. Look at this design. Looks very 70s to me. What do you guys think? So we made it to the Cat Village. Lots of cat cafes and stuff, but I don't see any cats. Where's the cats? They're inside. So here's the bridge going to the Cat Village. Super hot in here. It's like a sauna. Okay, not quite like a sauna, but almost. Oh look, it's a big sleepy cat. It's like when you feed the birds, but when they sell the little things, or you can feed ducks, but they sell things for you to feed the cats. Kitties. I see kitties everywhere I go. He's got a blip. Oh, he had a blip for a minute. Look at this cat. So the cats are multiplying every time there's more. Look at this cat. Hey, come here. This
one looks like a stray cat.
Oh, he's nice. Come here.
Hi.
You're half stray. Smells like cat food. If you steal a cat, it's 100,000. This is a post office. What is it? There, buddy. You sleepy? Got a sleepy cat right here. Look at this guy just sleeping here. Look at the sleepy kitty at the hide and seek cafe. All the kitties, and you can get kitty smoothie, kitty puffs. Look at this kitty cream puff. Cute. I think this cat's dead. Did you die? Nope, still alive. Alright, now we're going on the other side. We were over there, gonna cross the bridge, and now we're going on this side. Hopefully there's something to eat. We just had a cream puff, a cat cream puff. I feel like crap now. Too much sugar. Need to eat something good. So on the other side of this cat village, there's an old mining village. It's like an abandoned mining village. It's like some Silent Hill type stuff. So I'll try to see what it is. This mining village. It's all abandoned now. Kitties everywhere. Living the life. This is like paradise for a cat. It's like, you know how there's duck ponds where you pay to feed the ducks? It's like, here's some cat food, feed the cats. Kitty. It's a bridge. Oh, you go up there and walk across this bridge. Man, there are kitties literally everywhere. What are you doing down here? Oh,